Hi everyone, today I'm going to test 4 concealers around the eyes. Normally I go for a liquid based concealer because if I go for anything a bit thicker it looks like I've got a lot of cracks around my eyes. So it's okay for young people, they can tend to wear a lot of concealer around the eye, but I have to be very careful. I have to go for a liquid based concealer and apply a small amount and blend. I normally use the L'Oreal Lumi Magique pen and I find that really good because it's liquid based and works really well around my eye. And I'm going to compare that to their new one, which is the L'Oreal True Match. The True Match one is 1N Ivory and the Lumi Magique is number 2. I'm also going to be testing the Maybelline one that I picked up concealer. It's an anti-age eraser, which is this one in Ivory. And I'm going to compare it with the Urban Decay All Nighter, which is a waterproof full coverage concealer. And that one I'm using is Fair. So I'm going to start with the L'Oreal Lumi Magique on the right eye and on the left the L'Oreal True Match, and let's see the difference. So what I do is I just put a little bit in the corner like this. I don't put too much and I get very dark in the corners, which is something I can't stand, and then I just blend it into the corner of the eye and blend all around my eye. I bring it down the nose and I don't pull the brush. As you can see, I'm just literally dabbing and using little brush strokes, and then I just work it around the rest of the eye like that. If I want to add a little bit more I will, but that's how you should put concealer on. When you're younger you can tend to put concealer right the way down there and all the way up there and blend it, but as you get a bit older I can't do that. I have to just do it like this, otherwise around here I just get all these cracks and fine lines. It just looks really horrible. So that's one. And then the True Match one I'll put here a little bit in the corner. Oh, that's much lighter. We shall see. I think maybe I put a bit too much. But just blend and blend and blend. And it's quite liquidy, and that's what I really like about these concealers. I have to go and look for liquidy type concealers because if not, it just doesn't work for me. Using little brush strokes, just blend it all around the eye. I'm trying to get rid of these dark circles around my eyes because I've had those since I was young. I think I've been using concealers since I was about 19 to try and get rid of those dark circles. So all around the eye, and then I'm going to have a look. I'm going to show you and see what one is better. So out of these two, I think the Lumi Magique one is still better because when I use the True Match one here, it just went a little bit bitty. I have little bits over it, so I'm still sticking to the Lumi Magique pen on this one. So I'm just going to take them off now and try the other two. I'm just taking off the other concealers so I can start the new ones, and you can see I'm back to those dark circles again. So on the left eye, I'm going to put the Urban Decay All Nighter, and on the right eye I'll put the Maybelline Anti-Age Eraser, and we'll see what they look like. With the Anti-Age Eraser you have to twist it to get the liquid up into this little puff ball here, so it takes a little bit of twisting. I think it's coming now. It's getting a bit stiff. Here we go. Aha, there it is, it's come. So I'll just put a bit on the back of my hand. There's a lot come off of there, so there's quite a bit of waste. And then I'll just pop that into the corner of the eye, and I suppose you're meant to blend it with this little puff ball, but I'm getting quite a lot coming out, so that isn't going to work, blending it with a puff ball, so I'll have to go back to my brush and blend it like this. It doesn't look too bad, a little bit light. I don't know if I've chosen the right colour or not, but if I blend it we'll see. Actually it's not looking too bad. That Maybelline one, I don't think it's too bad so far, but we'll try the Urban Decay. So a little bit into the corner, not too much. We need to leave room to blend, blend, blend. And this one's going on quite well as well. And all the ones I've chosen, they are water based, so that suits me. We'll see what these look like after I've blended them. I do like the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer, the Lumi Magique pen and the Maybelline Anti-Age Eraser, but not the L'Oreal True Match Concealer. And just to finish off, because I have a lot of red around my eyelids especially, I use the MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot, and mine is in Soft Ochre. And I just take a little bit and put it on the back of my hand, and I use my brush and I just pop it all over my eyelid. And this is really good if you don't want to wear eyeshadow and just perhaps some mascara, and it just gets rid of all the redness. So my tips are, for smooth coverage around the eye, go and look for some water-based concealers, dab a small amount into the corner of the eye and blend it out. If you want to add a little bit more you can, but don't add too much around the outer corner of the eye, otherwise you'll make it look dry. Start from the inner corner and blend out. So remember what I said about those concealers. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a really good weekend, and I shall see you next time.